Check in on the reindeer now. Yes, boy.
Cause me say everybody that's right now, my family.
Let's say no layman's right now.
Yeah man, no layman's right now. Everybody there's my family.
Give me a push off there. And there give me a push off. Give me a good push off. Right about now I'm in Buff Bay. I'm gonna be heading to ski but at this moment. Yeah, so I go to a river park event, yeah. My friend birthday and him say I keep a little river park and you know I check in and check out the vibe. So let's go and stay tuned to the channel. Remember, like the video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Yeah. How would it? Put down a ring to bombard. There, man. Yeah, so these are the beautiful river. Come on, this is Spanish River retreat and things. Yeah, so only for people outside. We not even say one day yet. And thing. Music can play so I don't know how I go bounce it show. With the only for nice and thing, but so I go and still. How in our kitchen? Are you in our kitchen? See. Breadfruit, roast and fisher roast. Yeah man, fisher roast, breadfruit that. And I see what I go another party. How I go another party? This. Oh, food this. How I in a big party, sir? One pot of rice and beans. Yeah, chef, a bowl of this? Yes, no, sir. Soup, what kind of soup? Chicken neck. Alright. I see jelly there growing here too. And thing. I see some more pot here, so. Sitting. So food there for eat, you know? That is it, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
That look like a big while ago. And this, you know? Brown stew. Chicken?
Reindeer.
You saw a reindeer? Alright, everything me have to take a piece of taste of everything. Okay.
See that?
That is it, man. Yeah, man. So we're outside. This is Spanish River Retreat. Yeah, Spanish River Retreat and thing. Good vibes, good energy. You know? Load up a soup. You know? Right. Give our time. So I just get my cup reloaded. I think this is chicken soup. You know? But I know it's no pork, no like. I know some other pork. Yeah. Chicken, jerk, one piece of chicken in a wagon. Jerk pan right here, so. That is jerk chicken. Look good. Yeah, man, see what I go on. Nah, get China, man, because you know. Why not? Big pot of soup. What kind of soup you have in this now? Goated soup. Wow. Chicken soup. So, yeah, man. And we're there at Spanish River Retreat in Portland. Right, some fish. Shelly. Yeah, and it's a gravy over here, so. Okay, sauces. Okay. Alright, see what I go on now? Yeah. So, this is Spanish River Retreat in Portland. And this is how you get when you come here. You get a beautiful river for swimming and thing. And you know the place nice, you know. So get a good vibe. Made I go up on the swing song a while ago, but me see one girl I go to her. So I just tell her to go on. My time soon come up. Man, so fully checking right now. The music stop a bit, you know, so, right? catch a good talking, quick and fast before music time. Yeah, man, so there's Spanish River Retreat right now, and thing, you don't know. There are good vibes. Yeah, the river looks so inviting here, but you know how I used to river and thing. Still, so I not really even feel like more take a jump in, you know, and thing. So, without you, all are good vibes and thing, you know, the gathering is lovely so far. How no movie sound go? How no movie sound go? Eh? In the middle? Why sound can't come here and swing song the right so? You mean in a use and upon me I go now? Upon the swing song me I go here now, you know? Mean in a use, what go on? There you have vlog one. Swing song she want, oh?
Alright.
Select and turn up and sit down and play. This a man that sit down, this a man sit down, you know. Watch you go on, people. Which DJ this a sit down and play? Give me a push up there. And there, give me a push up. Give me a good push up.
cusp of what's okay and not morally gray, textbook insane. Now I'd like to draw this line you've crossed so many times. At this point I'm out of my mind. What's the point in loving someone morally confusing? It's not likely. You're so unlike me. I can't shake this feeling, 'cause I think I'm falling for the villain, and it's not looking like a good decision. And I try so hard to understand this, and you won't attempt to reprimand it. Should I sit, take it in, let it all unfold, or just say no? I know we can't pick and choose. I might just fall for you. It's not all win or lose, no black and white, there's color too. And I know how bad this sounds, but the silence is too damn loud. Guess you're not that bad. Did I say that? What's the point in loving someone morally confusing? It's not likely. You're so unlike me. I can't shake this feeling, 'cause I think I'm falling for the villain, and it's not looking like a good decision. And I try so hard to understand this, and you won't attempt to reprimand this. Should I sit, take it in, let it all unfold, or just say no? Should I say no? Should I say no? I can't say no. I can't say no. I can't shake this feeling, 'cause I think I'm falling for the villain, and it's not looking like a good decision. And I try so hard to understand this, and you won't attempt to reprimand it. Should I sit, take it in, let it all unfold?
Alright, see what time o'clock is right now. Yeah, I end up in the kitchen and share food. One thing, you know. Make sure share my plate of food and put it on, you know. Some my food, so this stew chicken and reindeer. Yeah. Stew chicken and reindeer. Stew chicken and reindeer. Chicken pan the reindeer now. Yes, good. Got shot, man. Properly seasoned stew chicken. It's good. Oh, guess what, man? Somebody guess what, man? Got to bless up the food. Alright. Bless up the food, no? Most righteous and eternal Father, I ask you for bless this food and let this food be of nourishment to my body. Bless all who are here and just guide and protect them. Guide my viewers, protect my subscribers. All of them, just bless them in your precious name, Jesus Christ, I pray, amen. So we do it, you know. People are look for me differently from who know you look for me, you know. I wonder where me go with you. Pepper bun me, you know. Pepper bun me.
Right now. Cause me say everybody that's right now, my family.
That's
You know go.
right now.
Yeah, man, no lemons right now. Everybody that's my family. Carrying on the water, tip on the land, tip on the stone. Everybody that's my family. You know go. Yeah, man, kick it off. No boy can this like that. Yeah, man, you know go, man. Don't go away. I know talent family in our business, you know. Everybody there up on the ground, see me as I build up talent family, same way, you know where I go. Family are family, one talent family, you hear that?
It's a Sunday, so it's not all that busy. Yes, so the road blank out a bit today. So it's not a busy day, you know. This is the road to go to Spanish River Retreat. Yeah. Come out on this stretch. You can also turn right here. I think it's safer to take this first right turn. But if not, you can take the next right turn, the second right turn at the bus stop, but I think it's more safer to do so from this road, yeah, because up there so too much accident going up there, so I think up there so kind of just a more busy way and madness will go on at them places, so me just more take it on the safer side, you know. Take it on the bad road and take time go through cars. At the bad road, I have to go deal with bad road. Same way, to go on a ski boat. That squeaking on me here right now, coming from the car. I find out what caused it. So, I'm one of them day I hate to see that tomorrow or so. I think I'm gonna get for the tomorrow still, but at least I know where the night is coming from and I have to go get it sorted out one of these days. So. Yeah, some welding work before go on. But you know, for the car store where they from where we are going Spanish River Retreat. Yeah. So we go right here and then people are block up the place here, so. Alright. This tractor here I go now. So not sure if them people there go at the river far and stop right there, so but me know say me I go at the river bar. Me I go at Spanish River Retreat. Yeah. This is the day that the Lord has made. Yeah, man. Give thanks for life, you know, health and strength, prosperity, you know. We ask for guidance, we ask for protection on the journey. Take time and go through, you know. Some part of the road bumpy. Alright, so the last video I was telling you guys that this is the year where lifespan is the water place. 2 to 3 water place in this area here, so these are the community for lifespan water. Also 876, yeah, and there's another water company here also, they call it Mecca. I'm not sure if any of you guys know Mecca, but that's another water company. I heard recently that the owner or the person who used to run it or whatever you passed away and it closed down. Seems as if no one in the family or whatever you is interested to take on the journey, you know. So this is lifespan. This is where lifespan is. Yeah. Proper water, you know. You know, a Portland water, you know. Yeah. And sometimes, you know, other companies that you see out there that have water, they also buckle their water here. So if you read the fine print on the water bottles, sometimes you would see where it says bottled by XYZ, you know what I mean? Bottled by another company. So you have more water company who bottle their water here. Yeah. So I guess that is the factory over there. Yeah. Next water company is coming right up on my right hand side. All the water places them on the right. All of them on one side, eh? I think up here so now would that be the Mecca and thing, and it closed. Gate is closed. Yeah. So I don't know. So yeah, up on we go around at this place here now. And this area is also Buff Bay Valley. Yeah. Still call this valley here Buff Bay Valley. So it's not just up where I live is Buff Bay Valley. This is also Buff Bay Valley. Yeah. And the community I'm heading to is called Skibo. Skibo. Yeah. So I'm just driving through.
But I'm just getting started. My eyes on the target. No, no. You're the better one, still king of to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty.
So I'm in Skibo now, you know. Yeah. No, the thing about Skibo now, for them electricity now run from Buff Bay side. It run from another side. The opposite side. Oh God, yeah. Alright. Going through the bush now. Now you just take a left turn right here. Take the left turn right here. One sinking. For a cold sinking, no? Right. Whoa, yeah. Oh God, I don't know how to come out that event early. Party over. Nothing come true. How are you going? I want to come out to party. Alas and alas. I live loads and skirt. Where could I last? Them people pass me up on my way. You get me, I say? Them pass me up on my way, go up and come back and then come round and say, no. So I wonder if how them a deal with one. I tell me I say I'm most round and them a go come, you know. I see, then come round and I go back out, so I don't know how I reach them. Somebody now give them a direction right, it seems.